Hello and welcome to this exciting video on the quantum theory of consciousness. Have you ever wondered how our thoughts, emotions, and experiences arise from the firing of neurons in our brain? Well, according to some scientists, the answer may lie in the mysterious and fascinating world of quantum mechanics. First, let's start with the basics. Quantum mechanics is the branch of physics that describes the behavior of particles at the subatomic level. In this world, things can exist in multiple states at the same time and can become entangled, meaning that the state of one particle can influence the state of another, even if they are separated by vast distances. Now, let's apply this to the concept of consciousness. According to the quantum theory of consciousness, our brains may function like a quantum computer, with neurons acting as the basic processing units. Just like quantum particles, these neurons can exist in multiple states at the same time and can become entangled with each other. This theory suggests that consciousness arises from the collective behavior of these entangled neurons, with each neuron contributing a tiny bit of awareness to the overall experience. In this way, our thoughts, emotions, and experiences are not just the result of individual neurons firing, but rather emerge from the complex interactions between them. Some experiments have suggested that quantum effects may play a role in biological systems. For example, in 2013, a team of researchers at University College London discovered evidence of quantum entanglement in photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. They found that the energy transfer between molecules involved in photosynthesis occurred much more efficiently than classical physics would predict, suggesting that quantum mechanics may be involved. Another example comes from a study in 2019, where researchers at the University of Glasgow used quantum mechanics to model the behavior of neurons in the brain. They found that these neurons could potentially perform certain computations faster and more efficiently than classical computers, supporting the idea that the brain may function like a quantum computer. The quantum theory of consciousness also offers potential explanations for some of the mysteries of consciousness. One example is the phenomenon of non-locality, which describes the ability of entangled particles to influence each other instantaneously, even if they are separated by vast distances. According to the quantum theory of consciousness, this same principle could explain how we experience a sense of unity and interconnectedness with the world around us. Another mystery of consciousness is the subjective nature of our experiences. Why do we all experience the world in slightly different ways? The quantum theory of consciousness suggests that this may be due to the observer effect, a phenomenon in which the act of observing a system changes its behavior. In this case, the act of observing our own thoughts and experiences could influence their behavior and create unique subjective experiences. Microtubules also may have a part to play in the quantum theory of consciousness. Microtubules are tiny cylindrical structures that are found throughout the cells of the body, including in the neurons of the brain. They play a crucial role in maintaining the shape and structure of cells, and are also involved in many cellular processes, including cell division and the transport of molecules within the cell. Some scientists believe that microtubules may also be involved in the quantum processes that give rise to consciousness. The idea is that the unique structure of microtubules allows them to exhibit quantum behavior, such as entanglement and superposition, at room temperature. This could provide a mechanism for the entanglement and coherence that is necessary for consciousness to arise. One of the leading proponents of this theory is Stuart Hameroff, a professor of anesthesiology and psychology at the University of Arizona. According to Hameroff, the microtubules in neurons act like tiny quantum computers, processing information in a way that is fundamentally different from classical computers. Hameroff and his collaborator, the physicist Roger Penrose, have proposed a specific mechanism for how microtubules might be involved in consciousness. They suggest that tiny structures within the microtubules, known as quantum bits, or qubits, are able to exist in multiple states at once, and can become entangled with other qubits. This creates a kind of quantum network that could be the basis for consciousness. While the idea of microtubules playing a role in consciousness is still highly speculative, it offers an exciting new avenue for research into the mysteries of the mind. By studying the quantum properties of microtubules, we may be able to gain new insights into the nature of consciousness, and ultimately unlock the secrets of the mind. Of course, this theory is still highly debated and controversial in the scientific community. There is still much we don't understand about the workings of the brain and the nature of consciousness. However, the quantum theory of consciousness offers an intriguing new perspective on these age-old questions, and may ultimately help us to unlock the secrets of the mind. Thank you for watching, and stay curious. See you next time.